everybody, today we're going to rank the top 5 fidgets. So I did posted 9 shorts actually, and I want to do my first ever video. So these are the top 5 fidgets you need to buy. So the very first one is the eye popping squishy. When you squeeze it will pop its eyes. You can do 1 or 2 any day. And some of these are bought from AliExpress, and some of them I got it for free. Next up is the tab squishies. So you can squish it. Here it is. You can squish it. And I have 3 other tab squishies in my drawer. I have a cat and 2 cat paws. Yeah. And tab squishies weren't so popular actually. For number 3, I'm picking poppet bracelets. So I got the pink one. You can pop it. You got to put it on your wrist. And let me put it to the eye popping squishy. Wait a minute, everybody. Here it is. Here's how it looks like. And then I got to remove it. And one got it to pop. So this is poppet bracelet. Number 2 is bicep squishies, and I have 2 of these. One is pink, the squishies like that. One of them is galactic blue and purple, the squishies like that. And for number 1, you hear that? This is the fidget toys released in 2025, which is this year. This is the pyramid fidget. I have 3 versions. I picked the yarn version. And it's super satisfying. My favorite one is definitely the eye popping squishy or the tab squishies. So yeah, that's my top 5 fidgets. So you need to buy. Bye. Like and subscribe for more videos, shorts, playlists, and posts. Make it right.